So you're saying Obi Kaigeso? Are you Igbo?
I'm not Igbo.
Where are you from?
I'm from Benue. I grew up from the north. I grew up in the north, but I'm from Benue. All my life I stay in the north.
So okay,
so
now
Obi Kaigeso.
Okay.
If you support Atiku and Tinubu, why then do we have to complain about corruption if these people can buy delegates? Is it not enough evidence that they are corrupt?
Are you Tinubulized, Atikulated, or Obi-Dent?
Obi Kaigeso, my brother. No, Obi.
Why you won't follow Obi?
Obi na him get the future of Nigeria, my brother.
It means all these people not get future?
Our Ghana old men, make them go sleep. They don't get anything to offer.
They don't get anything to offer?
They don't get anything to offer. It's just the future, not majority. Everybody knows Obi will work. Obi will rescue us from all these looters. They are all looters. They are only coming to loot our money. Obi Kaigeso. Obi all the way.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Atiku.
Why?
Atiku is a man who has this vision for Nigeria a very long time ago. And based on the present situation of Nigeria, there's every tendency that Atiku can be able to bring back that we have lost in Nigeria as a person, not as a religious person. Though we are tired of the North ruling us. But because of what APC have done and they could not bring a proper candidate for us, I think we prefer Atiku to come and articulate us from. At this junction now, you should know that Nigeria, we are one. And whatever flows in the blood of one flows in others.
We are not one. I'm not a corrupt person.
Okay, yes. You are not a corrupt person.
Yes.
I am not a corrupt person.
So why do you say that what flows in the blood is the blood of one? You are contradicting yourself already.
Yeah, this is what I'm telling you now. You listen, Peter Obi is coming for his own interest.
His own interest?
Yes,
okay.
He's coming for his own interest.
So Atiku that paid delegates is not coming for his own interest?
No, he's not coming for his own interest. He did that payment or whatever he
Why
may
do you
say,
have to complain tomorrow about corruption?
I don't agree with that payment that you're talking about. I don't agree with it.
I don't want you to agree with me, but why do you complain tomorrow about corruption? Let me give you an instance. Mikano is owned by Atiku. Do you think steady light will be available if Mikano is available?
When Atiku was acting on behalf of Obasanjo,
how will somebody whose business is to sponsor generator give Nigeria steady light?
He's not the first sponsoring generator. There are others who have something too, like Senator David Mark. He also has a power plant.
Most elderly men that agreed for me to interview them are only supporting Tinubu and Atiku. Why? Why is it the elderly people? Why the young people are not supporting? All the young people are supporting Obi. Why?
Peter Obi.
Yes.
Peter Obi. We are supporting Peter Obi, but why we see that Peter Obi just go into a baby party?
Okay, sir. Hold on, sir. I love your statement. Wait, sir. Who did you support in the last election? In the last election, between Buhari and Atiku, who did you support?
I support Atiku.
Support Atiku?
Yes.
Did he lose the election?
Atiku did not lose the election.
Last time?
The last one.
He did not lose?
He did not lose.
When you did not see rule now?
They use the power of seat.
You know why I'm saying this? You say that Obi. You know why I'm saying this? You said that Obi entered baby party.
But
even a strong party like PDP lose the election.
Why? What I hate, what I like Obi for stay for PDP. Let it gang with Atiku. Let them move the country forward. After Atiku, let him go to the seat.
Listen, if Obi stayed and Atiku win the primaries and make him vibes, it means that he's supporting corruption. Listen to me. Because Obi left based on that the primary election is already corrupt. They're already buying candidates. That means that the election is not free and fair. It's the highest bidder that goes. That's what people don't understand. Or you want to disagree that he didn't buy delegates, he didn't give them money.
I don't know. I can't say that.
Nigerians, we should be truthful. Nobody will arrest you, Papa. You are an elderly man. Are you Tinubulized, Atikulated, or Obi-Dent?
Obi-Dent for sure.
Obi-Dent for sure. Have you got your PVC?
Yes, I have it.
So why are you supporting Obi?
We need somebody vibrant, a young man who can transform this country. We're in a mess. The country is not even moving forward. Our young boys is into rituals, killings, kidnapping. We need somebody that can change this country to the country we dream of.
I am supporting Atiku for the first time, second by Peter Obi, third by Tinubu. The reason why I'm supporting Atiku today is that because it's not by money, because if you look at what is happening in our society today, Atiku uses money to buy delegate. At the end of the day, when we vote him, I think the same money he used to buy, he cannot do anything. He would rather pack the money and go. But if you look at what is happening today in our society, for I choosing to be a Atiku, maybe to give him my vote, there is that Atiku is the only person that can rescue this country. But I said it, if you look at I am not against the APC, because the same feather that Buhari used to intimidate people, the same as Tinubu is coming, the team must have even was passed. I for like to choose or to cast my vote to APC. One, the reason why that I am against APC, Tinubu is older than Buhari. He cannot think, he cannot reason why, he cannot even help the youth. That was why I'm against the APC. Why I like Peter Obi? When Peter Obi was a governor in Anambra State, Peter Obi, he doesn't use so many cars, he doesn't use so many convoy. Today, Nigeria, they need to vote Peter Obi. But my fear there is that if I cast my vote to Peter Obi, it's a waste, because they won't like to give him. He who win the election for this country, they will not give him. That is why you see I'm afraid. If not, Peter Obi is the best candidate. So far, so good.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
From what you said about Peter Obi, who did you vote last time?
I voted Atiku last time.
And Atiku lose.
Atiku lose.
Is it not a waste of votes?
It's a waste of vote, but
so why are you afraid of Peter Obi now to waste it?
The reason why that I say, because even Atiku, you know, say even Obasanjo come today, they keep Obasanjo and Atiku. Obasanjo cannot defeat Atiku. But the only problem there that we're facing in Nigeria, even though Atiku contains.
Listen to me. I don't care about who is gonna come. I'm judging you by what you say.
Yep.
If you notice, my interview is based on truth.
Yes.
You said it's gonna be a waste of vote, but you wasted the vote 2 years, two times now, voting PDP or Atiku.
Yes.
So why are you afraid of voting the best person? Even if because now let me tell you, if Atiku win now, it will be based on say people don't waste their vote before. Now they are voted in right. Why don't you waste the vote for Obi till you get it right again?
No, God revealed to me to vote to Atiku. Atiku is going to get.
God revealed to you.
Yes.
This is another measure of.
Yes. God revealed to me that Atiku is going to.
So if he lose, is it God that will reveal to you?
Atiku cannot lose this time.
He cannot lose.
He can't lose this time.
The word you use is cannot.
He cannot use.
So Atiku has become God.
Yeah. No, it's not that Atiku has become God.
No, it's only God that use the word cannot or can.
My dream will never go in vain, because I see it and God speak to me even tonight that Atiku is a president. Okay. So I assure you that Atiku is going to win.
Are you a Christian?
President. I'm a Christian.
Did the Bible tell you that your dream come by multitude of daily business? That is not God that is talking to you in the dream. It's what you think in the day that you play in your mandate. You don't know that the Bible said that your dream is as a result of multitude of daily business. What you think daily is what you dream in the night. A child playing ball in the dream, a child that play balls in the day. You never hear that one?
I heard, but Oga, I am just telling you.
So why do you think it's God that is talking to you in the dream?
Yes.
Now wait till you think in the day. Now play back in your dream.
For Atiku's side, God has already speak to me that I should vote Atiku.
Is it God that is telling you, or your daily activity that is telling you?
No. God speak to me seriously that I should vote Atiku at this very time. Atiku is he will rescue this country. Atiku is ready to.
And you said he will pack money.
He will pack money in those days, but not now.
Not now.
He repent, yes. He
will not pack money now.
No, he will not pack money.
Wait, let me ask you a very sincere question.
Okay, sir.
Who is the owner of Mekano?
It's Atiku.
So you think Atiku will kill his business to give Nigeria steady light?
No, Atiku will not kill his business to.
Listen to me. Just don't rush. I'm asking a very genuine question.
Okay.
If I own a business of sugar, and there's going to be something that will make sugar not to exist, that means they're killing my business, right?
Yes.
I will not allow it. Do you think Atiku will give Nigeria steady light for him Mekano not to be selling?
Atiku will give.
He will give?
He will give.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Gotta be Atiku, man.
Gotta be Atiku?
Yeah.
The reason, best known to you, what is the reason?
I think he's practically like someone who is mentally fit and he has a focus. You get, and what Nigeria needs right now, we need a leader who is going to lead us, not a leader who is going to be there to do things that he wants. Like, we need someone who has a how am I even going to put this? Someone who has like a scope
He knows where he's going to. He knows we've seen things he has done even before he became the vice president.
What has Atiku done that you have seen?
Yeah, job opportunities. And,
At where? At where?
He has several enterprises now, so, and I guess...
You know, I call 3 people.
Yeah.
Tinubu don't have job enterprises.
He does, but then...
Obi doesn't have job enterprises.
They have, but their flaws are more intense than Atiku's.
Obi has more flaws than Atiku.
Okay.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
What is the flaw of Obi?
Nah, that I don't want to say. Or what I feel is the weakness of Obi is the fact that he's from the east or the south.
Wait, so that is the weakness, not because he has a flaw. Listen to yourself.
One of it, I told you I'm not going to say. It's not like you are convincing me, but I don't want to do things at your own terms. I'll do that my own terms.
I'm asking a question.
Yeah,
and I need you to give me a convincing answer, because people are going to watch it and be convinced also why they should vote Atiku.
No. The point I'm bringing is just one of the points. You get back. Okay, probably when you combine all the points together, you probably get a solution. But I can't just speak for everybody, so I'm just speaking from a perspective.
So what's wrong with someone from the east? Let's look at your point.
It's not like he's wrong. The society sees it as a flaw because they don't want, like from the way things have been going for a very long time, they don't want an Easterner to be the president.
America has been existing with a project of white supremacy.
Yeah.
And they never wanted a black to rule. But at a point in time, a black man rule and look successful. Why don't you think Obi from the east that they don't want is the right person that people want? You, by your own conscience. By your own conscience. I'm not asking for everybody, I'm asking you by your own conscience. If they put Obi as their father and put Atiku as their father, who will you be proud to say is their father?
I think Atiku, yeah.
They think, you think, not that you know.
Because they are not my parents. I don't know what it is being their child. You get, so I just gotta say I think.
Okay.
You get.
Thank you very much. Who do you think is a better candidate to vote for?
For me, I feel Peter Obi. I'm voting for Peter Obi.
You are voting for Peter Obi?
Yeah.
Have you collected your voter's card?
Yes, I have.
So why do you choose Peter Obi?
I'm Igbo.
Sentiment,
so,
try first.
Actually, I won't lie about that. So that's why I'm choosing Peter Obi.
Sentiment first.
Yes.
Not because of intellectual.
Everybody follow you.
Exactly, that's my choice. So you can call it sentiment. You're allowed to do that, but I think Peter Obi is the best candidate for me.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm supporting Tinubu.
So why Tinubu?
Because I felt like that Jagaban has done a lot of things in Lagos, and he was the first person that took me and my family to go to Saudi Arabia. So I don't see no reason why I should not go for Tinubu. That's
Is politics about compensation or about competence?
It's about competence. And
so,
he is competent.
Wait, sir. You just spoke your mind now, and I'm asking you a very sincere question. I want you to say the truth. Nobody.
The truth and the whole truth.
This what you say here will not determine who will win the election.
Yeah.
So now, you are trying to vote in because of compensation.
No, that Jagaban Tinubu is well competent, very much well competent.
Okay.
I'm supporting Atiku.
Why?
Atiku is a businessman, and I know that he's coming. We have a vision for Nigeria.
I have a question for Nigerians. Why do we complain of corruption when we know that somebody buy delegates?
Yeah.
They bought delegates, which is already a corrupt system, and you think he entered there will not be corruption, and you are still saying you are supporting Atiku. I'm asking question. Why do we complain about corruption?
No, corruption is the only thing that load the country.
But you are supporting someone that already corrupt in primary, never even enter. But yet they are still saying he's a businessman. I don't you think that the buying of delegates is part of the business to sell Nigeria when he entered there?
You know, if we talk of corruption, all of them they are even corrupt. We just pray for them. Is it only him that buy the
but somebody did not buy delegates. That's Peter Obi.
Peter Obi.
Why?
Yeah, the reason is because he reflects the society. All we crave for in Nigeria right now, we don't want. We want people that are simple, people that want to make a change, and by their body language, we can actually read it. Take for instance, during the PDP primaries, he left because he saw the things that were going on there, the irregularities, the money that they dish out is about buying the future of Nigeria. It's not about the merits they have. That's for the people. Everybody is fighting for himself, obviously, because you don't buy 100 million naira from and then just for you to lose. For the other party that's talking about APC, Tinubu boasted primaries that he single-handedly put Buhari there and all that. So people like that, it shows that they see that they have the power, but not the masses. So you don't boast that, okay, you put the masses, that's the over 200 million people in the bin, and say you did this. So we want to take the power back to the masses. Together, we actually have the power. They use poverty, illiteracy, and hunger to control the masses. When they give you crumb and then you fall, you lick their ass and all that. But in the real sense, the other way around should be. We should hold them hostage with the numbers we have, with the votes we cast, to tell them that no, if we don't want to there, we can actually make a difference by changing whoever it is that we want. For the benefit of Nigeria, Nigeria is actually first before any other person. Most people don't have that mentality. They just say, okay, first, people identify with their religion, they identify first with their ethnicity, and then some identify first with whatever political narrative. But forgetting that the first thing first that we should be here should be a Nigerian first before any other thing. And I see that in Peter Obi. To be frank, that's why wherever he goes to, I don't mind. But for the fact that I vote him, be it that he wins it or not, but my conscience will be clear. That's the reason why I'm going to vote for Peter Obi. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love